Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna share this refreshing, easy drink which is best for summer. Yes, I'm going to make this grapes mint juice. This is my favorite juice now, and trust me friends, this is so refreshing. Without further ado, let's get started. We need seedless grapes to make this drink. Here, I have taken this black seedless grapes and which is really suitable to make this juice. Take a mixie jar and add in the grapes. Add in the second main ingredient, which is mint leaf. In goes sugar. You can adjust the quantity of sugar based on the sweetness of the grapes. Now we are going to grind all these ingredients very smoothly. Add in some chilled water. Ice water gives that chillness and refreshing feel to the juice. I have blended everything nicely. Now squeeze in the lemon juice. This juice is best to serve during summer or during any parties. After adding in the lemon juice, grind it once again. Once blended nicely, it's time to strain the juice. Now use a strainer to extract the juice. Look at it friends, our juice concentrate is ready now. Add in the chilled water and mix it. This juice has to be made with chilled water, then only you'll get that refreshing feel while having it. I'm adding in lots of ice cubes. At this point of time, this juice will be little sweeter. But once the ice cubes melt, the sweetness will be perfect. To serve this juice, take a glass and fill in with ice cubes. Add in the grapes mint juice. Look at the color of the juice friends. We didn't add any artificial colors and this is so natural. For garnishing, I'm adding in some mint leaves. One more thing is that we have to consume this juice on the same day. With the measurement I have shared, I'm able to make 4 cups of juice. Do try this refreshing grapes mint juice and share me the feedback. If you like this recipe, please do not forget to subscribe my channel. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.